Hello guys, today I am talking about data visualization techniques. What is data visualization? Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements like charts, graph, and map, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. Additionally, it provides an excellent way for employees or business owners to present data to non-technical audience without confusion. In the world of big data, data visualization tools or technologies are essential to analyze massive amount of information and make data-driven decisions. Types of data visualization techniques. There are five different techniques: pie chart, bar chart, histogram, scatter plot, and map. And the first one, pie chart. Pie chart are one of the most common and basic data visualization techniques used across a wide range of applications. Pie charts are ideal for illustrating proportions or part to wall comparisons. Because pie charts are relatively simple and way to read, they are best suited for audience who might be unfamiliar with the information or are only interested in the key takeaways. For viewers who require a more thorough explanation of the data, pie charts fall short in their ability to display complex information. Second one, bar chart. The classic bar chart or bar graph is another common and easy to use method of data visualization. In the type of visualization, one axis of the chart shows the categories being compared and the other a measured value. The length of the bar indicates how each group measures according to the value. One drawback is that labeling and clarity can become problematic when there are too many categories included. Like pie chart, they can also be too simple for complex data sheets. Third one, histogram. Unlike bar charts, histogram illustrate the distribution of data over a continuous interval or defined period. These visualizations are helpful in identifying where values are concentrated, as well as where there are gaps or unusual values. Histograms are especially useful for showing the frequency of a particular occurrence. For instance, if you would like to show how many clicks your website received each day over the last week, you can use a histogram. From this visualization, you can quickly determine which days your website saw the greatest and fewest number of clicks. And the left side of the histogram, there is an image for histogram how it illustrates. Scatter plot. Scatter plot is another technique commonly used to display data is a scatter plot. A scatter plot displays data for two variables as represented by points plotted against the horizontal and vertical axis. This type of data visualization is useful in illustrating the relationship that exists between variables and can be used to identify trends or correlations in data. Scatter plots are most effective for fairly large data sets since it's often easier to identify trends when there are more data points are present. Additionally, the closer data points are grouped together, the stronger the correlation or trends tends to be. And the final one, map. A map uses color, shading, and the other patterns to visualize numerical values across the geographic regions. This visualization uses a progression of color or shading on a spectrum to distinguish high values from low. Maps allow viewers to see how a variable changes from one region to the next. A potential downside to this type of visualization is that exact numerical values aren't easily accessible because the colors represent a range of values. Some data visualization tools, however, allow you to add interactivity to your map so that exact values are accessible. And the conclusion for data visualization tool. Creating effective data visualization requires more just than knowing how to choose the best technique for your needs. There are several considerations you should take into account to maximize your effectiveness when it comes to presenting data. Finally, be mindful of the colors you utilize as well as your overall design. While it's important that your graph or charts are visually appealing, there are more practical reasons you might choose one color palette over another. For instance, using low contrast colors can be difficult for your audience to discern difference between data points. Using colors that are too bold, however, can make the illustration overwhelming or distracting for the viewer. Thank you.